Why is it necessary, Bella, to chew on the dog? Oh, it's not Mark. Hi.
Okay, all right, very good.
Hello.
He wasn't so dressed up, he'd be right over there.
Yeah.
Yes.
Hi. Is he cute?
I don't know.
Might be his wife.
Yeah, I don't think so
I
either.
wouldn't either, but look at them splashing it.
Ew, look at Mia.
Yeah. See, we're all used to it. Shoestring hanging. There, it dropped.
Bella, go in there.
You're gonna go in, whether you like it or not.
This is funny. See, I've never seen it, Bob.
Yeah, watch her foot over here, Jenna.
Bella's scratching.
Maybe the warm water made her go poop.
I don't think she's gonna go, is she?
She just got out like she wanted to go. Just let her go.
Oh yeah, I think Jenna, you're gonna have to get the bag.
Oh.
She's probably gonna run home. Hold on, maybe she's not.
Or she may go to the territory where Mia can't get to it.
Oh, get her. She got scared.
But that's good. You know what? She may go here for the fact that she smells Bella's. And that's where Bella goes sometimes. You know, it's like a